GEVO has agreed to sell its ethanol production facility in Luverne, Minnesota, to AE Innovation for $7 million. The facility, which has been idle since 2022, will be acquired by AE with the intention of restarting ethanol production and potentially serving as an innovation hub for scaling up new biofuel technologies. GEVO will retain certain assets related to isobutanol production and a portion of the land, allowing it to potentially produce up to 1 million gallons per year of isobutanol. The sale is expected to provide GEVO with cash payments and annual savings, while also benefiting the local community through job creation and support for farmers. Then in terms of personnel, GEVO appointed James J. Barber, Ph.D., to its board of directors, bringing decades of executive leadership and board experience in the industry. Dr. Barber's expertise in sustainable technologies and his experience serving on various committees will be valuable assets to GEVO as the company continues to grow. With a background in organic chemistry and a Ph.D. from MIT, Dr. Barber's technical knowledge and strategic acumen will support GEVO's development of sustainable aviation fuel and renewable chemicals. GEVO's CEO, Patrick R. Gruber, welcomed Dr. Barber to the board, highlighting the value he will bring to the company's growth. GEVO also appointed Oyewale Leke Ajuri as its new Chief Financial Officer, effective May 21, 2025, succeeding Lynn Small, who will transition to a new role as Executive Vice President and Senior Advisor to the CEO. Ajuri brings extensive experience in corporate finance, capital markets, and strategic growth, having served in key leadership roles at GEVO since 2022. With a background in finance and energy sectors, including stints at Bank of America and Occidental Petroleum Corporation, Ajuri is well positioned to drive GEVO's financial strategy and planning. The company's CEO, Patrick Gruber, praised Ajuri's leadership and expertise, highlighting the company's long-term succession planning and confidence in his abilities.